Hello everyone, I am Soumya Raghavan. Welcome back. Here I have written another example of note making and I have written a question that you people get in the exam. Read the following passage and make notes by drawing and filling the boxes given below. So 8 boxes will be there in the flow chart and each box will carry half marks and totally it is for 4 marks. A very simple one. Here I have written a paragraph. Based on that paragraph you have to answer that boxes. The hospital as we see today began to evolve only around 19th century. People began to live in better conditions. They felt the need for more cleanliness and good expert care. In the past, nuns, priests, and other members of the church had done the nursing. The first hospital was St. Thomas Hospital by Florence Nightingale. This is a very short paragraph and based on it you have to answer that 8 boxes. Look at that. The first box nodi. The hospital here the first box ಅಲ್ಲಿ began ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದು begin ಆಗಿದ್ದು first hospital around 19th century. If you write just 19th century is enough. So I have written 19th century in the first box. And coming to the second one, people began to live in better conditions. Live in anta kottidare. So you have to fill it as better conditions. So people live in better conditions. They felt the need for more cleanliness. Look at that. Third one. People felt. Hospital ಕೆಳಗಡೆ people felt ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. A people felt ಕೆಳಗಡೆ third one ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. They felt the need for. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ನೀಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸಿತ್ತು. For more cleanliness and good expert. Third one is more cleanliness and fourth one is good expert care. In the past, nuns, priests and other members of the church had done the nursing. See here, in the past anta matra kottidare. So 3 blocks kottidare. You have to write nuns, priests and other members of the church ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ 7th ಒಂದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ had done nursing ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So respectively you have to write nuns, priests and other members of the church. In the past, nuns, priests and other members of the church had done nursing. Which is the first hospital? First hospital is St. Thomas Hospital by Florence Nightingale. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ by ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. So I have written the complete one, that is St. Thomas Hospital by Florence Nightingale. So here comes another example. Please check it out. So the other example is, the most complex of all tissues is the bone. It serves as a framework, giving form to the body, protecting the vital organs and bearing weight and strain. What bears weight and strain? Our bones bear weight and strain. It is also a storehouse for calcium, which is supplied to the blood. So bone supplies calcium to the blood. Very simple paragraph. So based on that, again there are 8 boxes where you have to fill it according to that paragraph. So which is a complex tissue? Look at the first sentence. The most complex of all tissues is bone. So what is the first answer? Bone. Only a word or 2 words max. Okay, not more than that. Don't write the complete paragraph there. So you just answer as bone. It serves as a framework. Look at the second one. What it serves as anta kelidare. Yenadu? What it serves as? Framework to the body. And it giving form to the body. Look at the third one. Gives form to what? To the body and protecting the vital organs and bearing weight and strain. Look at that. Protects anta kottidare fourth one. What it protects? It protects vital organs. Next, what it bears? It bears weight and strain. ನೋಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 2 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೊ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ weight and strain. It is also a storehouse. Look at the 7th one. It is also a storehouse of what? So for storehouse for calcium, which is supplied to the blood. Again, the eighth one is supplied to the blood. So this is a very simple concept, note making. I had told you in the last class that what is the importance of note making. See, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೇ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ವೇ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನೇನು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಥರ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮೆಮೊರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. So if it works out, then you can make a chart of it and you can paste wherever you want. Whenever you want to read the concept, you can easily memorize it. Please do it once. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ದು ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರದ್ದೊಂದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. I say you that it really works. Okay, so you please try it once, and you have to write these two examples in your notes, and in the next class I'll give you more example for you to work. So until then, bye.